Good morning, guys. We just cold started the E30 after not driving it for about 3 weeks now, and it started first drive. We got all the air performance stuff in the back and in the trunk, and we're gonna head over to WixeBMW to get them installed. We made it to the shop, guys. The E30 is about to get bags. Look how dirty it is from all the rain, but shout out LT Motorworks. We're in the Z. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some parts. We're leaving the shop really quick. Made it. We got this. We picked up this thing right here, a spring compressor. We're in the shop. We got the E30. We got the parts that we were missing. The car is finally getting lifted up. We got all the air suspension stuff in here. I am hyped. Okay, so we're gonna start with the trunk setup right now. This is how everything looks before. Move the rear seat so we have access. Look at that.
We're getting access to the back part of your seats. That way we can drill down and put the tank inside the trunk from the top part of the trunk.
So you guys see from here, we have access. So we just removed it and it is cleared out. So it doesn't get scratched?
Yeah, they scratch super easily. Since I'm going to be test fitting it right now, I want to make sure it doesn't get scratched at all.
So we got the airlift performance kit with the dual compressors and the tank. We got the airlift struts. I think this thing is heavier than you think. We got the little components that go with it. Little remote. So he's gonna be test fitting it. Look at that. You already see how it's looking so far. I'll show you guys around the shop. In the meantime, this is literally a wide-bodied wagon, the Liberty Walk kit. And we got these GTRs right here. Look at the Supra. The GTR is mad aggressive being worked on. This wing. This literally looks like the A90 Supra. It's a full carbon wide body, fully rebuilt engine, and a manual transmission. But that's not crazy. Look at this Liberty Walk Lamborghini. Holy bunch of M3s, wide body Porsches. So they brushed it so it gives it that fighter jet look. And this C8 Corvette on bags with the wide body. Look at the seams. It literally looks from factory. Did a good job with it. The rear end, NSX, Ferrari, bunch of other cars, and what? Hold on. Holy, from a Nositec wrap. Look at that. It's one of the craziest Urises I've seen. Wide body kit on this BRZ. Then inside the shop, we have a bunch of other cars. We got, look at this. Here's the air suspension kit. They're working on an R35 GTR right now. They also rebuild wheels. Look at this dent. M3. Lamborghini up there on the rack. Liberty Walk, Mercedes. Look at this. Now that you guys know what the shop has done, let's get back into bagging the E30. Car is glowing. It was raining earlier. It's very cloudy. Car is dirty. Let's update you guys on what's going on so far.
You gotta measure the spacing in between that. I already marked the holes. It's as standard as possible. And yeah, we'll do a lot of that. Now that we have our holes drilled out for the compressor, for the tank, my bad. we have pretty much everything ready to go. We have an idea of how everything's gonna be inside the trunk. Now I can start putting my bungs, my fittings coming out of my tank that are gonna be sent out to my management. These guys I might just route straight into the fittings here. They come with its own thread. Usually they're able to thread right back in. So I'll set everything up and get it ready to drop into the trunk. Your management. That way your management doesn't get clogged up with a bunch of water. That little guy right there. So we'll go ahead and bolt it up to the trunk.
That's what it looks so far. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alright, starting with the back one. Look at that. It is up against the top of the trunk.
How's it treating you?
It's not going anywhere. But we're gonna install the compressors as far tucked in as possible. Yes, sir. This is the mock-up so far. We're thinking of either doing a setup like this or having it straight with the compressor. But I really like the angle look, so it looks cleaner and more. So this is the one we're gonna go with. These are the filters, right?
Mm-hmm. The air filters.
Wix is going international right now. Damn, look at that. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we marked it up, the little lines for the compressors, and he's gonna drill it in, right? He's gonna drill it into the carpet. He's making his own bracket right now to hold the compressors in place. Progress. The other one is held tight.
Bolted in.
Set and held tight now.
The electric stuff, pretty much part of your harness through the front. It's just going to be your USB and your ignition source. Those are going to be running to the front. You got a fuse box we need to tap into in the front, where your engine bay is at, and then your USB is obviously going to be coming out of your center console. That way you can connect it to your remote, be able to connect and do all your things inside.
Yes, sir. We just installed while he was doing that the Volante steering wheel. How good it looks. It matches the interior very nicely, as well as the blue stripe with the dice and the seats.
So now I'm running your ignition wire through the firewall because we got to tap into your fuse box. That way, every time you turn your car on to ignition, your control will turn on, and then you'll be able to use your air system.
So we wired it all the way up through and inside. It comes all the way up here.
I'm gonna check that I'm putting the power into the right fuse for your ignition. So I'm gonna check with the car off, it should have no power. With the car on, and ignition, it should read 12 volts. It should just read ground. Green is ground. So now with the ignition, now we should read power to it. There we go. So we'll use that fuse, we'll tap into that.
$5 so anyone that can eat that. Just kidding, but everything is wired and fused up. We closed it back up, and we're gonna get back to the next part. It's a very interesting part. You don't see every day.
Yeah. Seasoning the rod.
Seasoning it.
Yeah, it's actually what it is. You season it with the solder that you're using. That way, it's it's not gonna burn on you or anything. Actually get a little bit the wire up. Meanwhile he'd solder in. And you'll notice it just melts right into the wire itself. Come in and clean it up. Lay the bead. That thing's running down. It's your main harness. It's running in. And what comes out is this piece. It's your relay. Your secondary harness plugs into here. Here, ever, no matter what.
Just the car and lift it up. So this is underneath the car. We're still trying to jack it up right now. The blast pipe. The car is filthy right now. It was raining and stuff, but we're just trying to clear the exhaust. Here's the stock suspension. So the car is currently on Bilstein shocks and H&R Super Sport lowering springs. And the wheel is off.
No, absolutely not. Much easier than
The plate. So bad news, guys. We got sent out the wrong product. Let me show you guys. So basically, it's supposed to sit in here, but there's no groove right here for it to fit in this. So air suspension won't be installed today, but we're gonna go ahead and contact Bag Riders and see what they can do to send us out the right part. Not a big issue, but it's okay. All right, so we're putting everything back in. It's just unfortunate, you know. We're just gonna put the spring back, but we got a lot done today. But we're gonna put everything back in the car. We're putting everything back. Well, we are gonna pack up everything. This could have been installed today, but it's not. RIP the E30 and the air suspension today, but it's okay. Things happens, ups and downs. You just gotta accept it, but it's okay.
The E30 doesn't work at all. So my matey over there, Hugo the man, ahoy! He tried to do his best job, but unfortunately he wasn't able to. And the struts are wrong, the bags are wrong, everything is wrong. Sort your shit out, Bag Riders. You send us a wrong kit. I'm calling you out. I can call them out because I'm no one on YouTube. I don't exist.
little do
So
they
it's
know.
fine.
That right there is
Moto in the house.
The E30 is coming out. Alright guys, you guys saw the whole process. See you guys in part 2. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and shout out
Like and subscribe.
LT Motorworks. See you guys in part 2.